Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today we got Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series and we're going to see how we can upgrade or change the RAM in this laptop. Let's begin the procedure. We already opened all the screws, just these screws are left. They are not coming out because it will just open like this, and no need to remove this. In this much it will open and it's enough. It is like a lock with the body. Okay, now we just need some plastic tool or some even any card like normally we are using to open these casing. Just bring between these lines. I took this Vodafone card. Any old your ATM card or plastic card you can use to open this. You don't need any special tool. If you have some plastic special tool, that is well and good. So if you just pull it down, it will come off. Friends, after removal of back cover, these are our RAM slots. One RAM slot is already occupied, and how we can take out the faulty RAM, or if you want to upgrade with the bigger storage of memory. This laptop takes PC4 laptop RAM, which model number is 4GB 1R X16 PC4 2400T. Simply you need to order a new RAM, and one slot is here, other slot you can use other side, and it will be upgraded to maximum RAM. Like you can use 8 and 8 16 gig altogether. So this is a simple way how we can replace the RAM in this laptop. Okay, after this, put back cover and put back all the screws, and your laptop is ready to use. If you have any question, just leave comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.